Is it just free?
Yes.
Retake.
How was it?
How was it?
Yeah.
Very
Did you enjoy it?
Very much, yes. Thanks for coming, and
Thanks for making the workshop.
yeah, it was a pleasure.
Yeah.
And you know, people sometimes you can watch your videos and like, wow, this guy's really intense, but you're a good intense guy.
But still intense.
A little bit intense, but that's a good personality. Yeah.
Anders is in real life the same as he's in his videos.
Always the same.
Yeah, always the same.
You as
Always the happy guy.
You as well.
Yeah. We never seen him angry on one moment. So
Have you been angry?
no,
No. Great.
no.
Wait a second, there was that time with the director.
Wait, no comment, no comment.
As the DP, you gotta try to be nice to the
No,
director.
you need to fight him. No, that's always fight.
Just remember, I'm a lover, not a fighter. But I'm a fighter too, so don't get any ideas.
Yeah.
Best advice, rearguard the director.
Yes, Victor. Was
Denk.
leuk.
Ja.
Ja, we kunnen wel in Nederland praten. Hè? Dan
Gaan ze maar raden wat ze
Ja.
zeggen. Frank, stop playing with your phone. It was nice to have you here.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. I hope you learned a lot.
Yeah, especially from you. It's been a great pleasure to have you here, Victor.
Yeah, thanks. And you are drinking coffee again.
Oh, yeah,
He's addicted to coffee.
yeah, I am. I drink coffee all day long.
I'm going.
You're going!
It was good to have you here.
Thank you, it was good to have you here. Have fun in the mountains.
Yeah, in the mountains.
Yeah.
Better road than to where you live.
Larvik.
Yeah, no, I don't want to go there.
You can drive me home.
No, I don't drive you
Oh.
home. Very annoying. Well, you were filming the workshop.
No,
No?
no.
We behaved.
Mostly, yeah.
You came from the forest.
I did. I travelled 24 hours to get here, so yeah, much further than anybody else.
Yeah. The Australians here are really crazy. But they are also really enjoyable.
I thought the Dutch here were really crazy. Yeah. I think that's
You're the best.
No, is that my fourth kiss now? I think.
Don't say that. You're supposed to stop, Robot Clipper. Bye, Robot Clipper. Bye. So this was the Andyax Film Workshop. Let's roll. Don't leave. No. Don't leave. Yeah.
Now we can leave. No.
Oh yeah.
I just wanted a shot of me.
Yeah, running and hugging.
If you can put some nice music on that.
Yeah.
Is it slow motion? Celine Dion music.
He did a really
That's
good
okay.
Celine Dion.
If you
I will link it down in the description.
Yes, please.
Over 1 million views.
Have a nice trip.
Yeah, same to you.
Good job. Thanks for coming.
Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door and
Look at this. Wow. Such a nice view here. Oh, I love it. Look at this view. Oh, wow. What a landscape. I've such a terrible plan. Let's go. Yeah, it's real It's real ice and it's real cold. Norway has some beautiful roads. I really enjoyed my little road trip today. I drove for 7 hours over the mountains, around the fjords, many tunnels, even a tunnel with a roundabout in it. A lot of bridges, really nice views, even snow, beautiful roads. And after the really busy Andyax Film Workshop, it was nice to be alone in my car and just listen to music and drive, and yeah, it was. I liked it. And also the Andyax workshop I really liked. I learned a lot, and the shooting day was really awesome, and that was the day where I learned the most. And what I also learned, that I know a lot of things already, but with a workshop like this you really fine-tune your knowledge and of course learn new things, new tips and tricks around the subject. So yeah, I liked it. So if you have the chance and you want to be a better filmmaker, you should check out the Andyax workshop next year. Yeah, seaweed.
Yeah, I win.
Victory!
No. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers!